All right, picture this. You're holding two everyday chemicals, and when you mix them, you get a wild foaming reaction that looks like a genie bursting out of a bottle. Sounds like magic, right? But it's 100% science. And today, I'm showing you exactly how hydrogen peroxide and potassium permanganate can make that happen. First things first, safety is key. I'm putting on gloves and goggles because these chemicals can be a little feisty. And trust me, you don't want them on your skin or in your eyes. All right, ready? Here's what you'll need. A glass container. Hydrogen peroxide. Go for the 6% stuff if you can find it. A small pile of potassium permanganate crystals. You can get both at a pharmacy or online. But remember, handle with care. So, I've got my container here. I'm pouring in about a cup of hydrogen peroxide. Now, for the fun part, the potassium permanganate. I'm taking just a spoonful, and I'm about to drop it in. Ready? Here we go. Whoa! Instantly, you see a crazy rush of bubbles and thick white foam shooting up and out of the container. It's like a genie escaping from a lamp. Except this genie is all about chemistry. What's happening here is a super fast breakdown of hydrogen peroxide. The potassium permanganate acts like a catalyst. It speeds things up without getting used up itself. As the peroxide breaks down, it releases oxygen gas, and that's what's making all this foam. The heat you feel? That's because this reaction is exothermic. It actually gives off energy. And that purple color? That's the potassium permanganate showing off. Now a quick note, don't try this on a tiny plate or you'll have foam everywhere. Trust me, it gets messy fast. And always make sure you're somewhere you can clean up easily. So why does this matter? Well, this experiment is a perfect example of how simple ingredients can create big reactions. It's a reminder that science is everywhere, even in stuff you might find under your sink. If you like this demo, hit that like button and let me know what other experiments you want to see. Science is all about curiosity, so keep asking questions and keep experimenting, safely of course. See you next time. Let's dive deeper into what just happened at the molecular level. The potassium permanganate doesn't just speed things up randomly, it provides an easier pathway for the reaction. All those bubbles? That's pure oxygen gas being born from the breakdown. The foam forms because the reaction creates a natural surfactant that traps the oxygen. This same hydrogen peroxide reaction is used in medicine for cleaning wounds, and in industry, it's used for everything from bleaching paper to treating water. The best part? It breaks down into completely harmless water and oxygen. Remember, we used 6% hydrogen peroxide. Higher concentrations can be dangerous. Always dispose of your reaction mixture properly and clean up thoroughly. And if you're young, make sure an adult is supervising your experiments. This is what makes chemistry amazing. Seeing theory come to life right before your eyes. Every great scientist started with curiosity and simple experiments like this one. Don't forget to subscribe for more amazing science experiments. Let me know in the comments what reaction you want to see next. Until next time, keep exploring the amazing world of chemistry.